Hey boys and girls, would you like to learn how to draw one of our amphibian friends? A frog? Just watch. Hey boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how easy it is to draw a frog. I know you're probably saying, a frog? Why are we going to do a frog, Mr. Smith? Well, I'm going to tell you. Frogs are very important to us. You probably don't know. Frog fact number 1. Frogs eat many insects that carry diseases that are not good for us. Frog fact number 2. Baby frogs are called tadpoles, and tadpoles clean the algae in water. Frog fact number 3. Frogs are very sensitive to pollutants in our environment. And if frogs get sick or start to die, that means something's out there that could do us harm. And we need to get on top of trying to clean our environment up. All right, I got a book that you can get in Amazon. This book is called The Amazing Frogs for Kids, and it's by the author Jenny Kellett. And it has, I told you 3 facts, it has 101 facts on frogs. I'm going to leave the name in the description. Check it out. It's a fantastic read. I'm sure you love it. Beautiful pictures, quizzes, facts, all kind of good stuff about our friends, the frogs. Well, right now, I'm going to get started. I'm going to show you how to draw a frog. And let's try to draw our amphibian friend, the friendly frog. I'm going to get my black marker, pull my cap off, put it on the back so I don't let it dry out. It will last a long time that way. I'm going to start off with making an oval, and it's going to be close to the top of the page, but I'm going to leave a little opening at the very top. So here I go. Just like that. Now I'm going to draw 2 little ovals in the center for his eyes. And now I'm going to draw his pupils. Give him some lashes. Now I'm going to make almost made it. A big oval for his body. Just like that. A big, gigantic, curving line for a smile. And 2 dimples. Going to give him 2 little nostrils, 2 circles. And now we need to give him some legs. So I'm going to make a big curving line. It's going to go up, out, back in. And now I'm going to make his toes. These are his jumping toes, so they're long. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. All right, that's that side. Now we're going to do this side. Goes out and curves back in. Now we're going to make his jumping toes. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. Now his 2 little feet, they help keep him balanced. 3 toes again. And 1 more. 2, 3 toes. Alright. Now, I love speckled frogs. Do you like the speckled frogs? So we got to make some speckles on them. And we'll color them different colors after we get started. Okay. Now, It's nice we have the frog, but I love backgrounds. I always tell my students, you got to make a background. So there's nothing better than when you're doing a frog than to make a lily pad. And if you look very carefully, if this lily pad had been yellow, you might say, wow, that looks like Pac-Man. And it could very well be a Pac-Man. Now I'm going to put him in the water. So I'm going to make a horizon line between the water and the sky, and it's going to use a wavy line. And it's going to pick up over here another wavy line. And some more wavy lines, just so everyone knows the lily pad is sitting in the water. Now at the top, we're going to have some clouds. Mr. Smith loves nice, big, puffy clouds. I think nothing's better than a puffy cloud. I also always like sunny days. I'm not much of a rainy day person. Big, maybe not that big, but nice round yellow sun rays. Okay, now let me get my green. And I'm going to use two greens. I'm going to use one for the speckles and the other one for his body. Took the cap off, put the cap on the back, because we got to make sure that they stay fresh. One stroke method. If you've watched me before, you know I love doing the one stroke method. That's our way for making our colors bold and bright. Then we go around and clean it up and try to get all the white out, staying within our lines. Okay, but if sometimes you go out, it's okay. Now here's the best part. Once you take the cap off, put it back on, and then you press it till it makes a snap. Now I'm going to start working on his body using the one stroke color method. But I'm not going to make you sit here and watch me do this whole thing. You give me a second and I will show you just how my drawing finished up. Be right back. Well, boys and girls, I finished coloring my frog. Do you like it? I really like it. I think I took my time. I colored in very well, trying to keep out the white. Used the one stroke method, and I put the cap back on my marker. I had fun. I hope you had fun here in Mr. Smith's art room. Hey, boys and girls. Did you have fun learning how to draw the frog? I had fun sharing it with you. And I just want to make sure that you continue to come back each week. I'm going to upload another video each Sunday for your enjoyment. Just make sure that you click the bell, subscribe. You can even type comments in about something that you might like that I did, or you might want to give me a suggestion on something else you might like me to do. So come back each week, join me, let's have fun making art in Mr. Smith's art room. Bye-bye.